Hi, what happens when a ruler becomes too powerful? Shakespeare's Julius Caesar begins with a society at a turning point, full of unrest and political tension, and a deep divide between the common people and the elite. Today, we'll break down Act 1, Scene 1 and explore how this short yet powerful opening scene, sets the stage for betrayal, ambition, and one of history's most famous assassinations. Let's dive in. Act 1, Scene 1 of Julius Caesar is set in the streets of Rome, where two tribunes, Flavius and Marullus, are angered by the celebrations of the commoners. They are upset that the people who once loved Pompey are now blindly following Julius Caesar, who has just returned victorious from war. The tribunes scold the commoners for their fickle-mindedness, fickle loyalty, and order them to disperse, while also deciding to remove any decorations celebrating Caesar. This sets the tone for the political conflict between those who support Caesar and those who fear his rising power. Now, how was the Roman society during Caesar's time? To understand this scene better, let's step into the shoes of Roman citizens during that period. The power struggle. Rome was no longer a republic in the true sense. The Senate still existed, but powerful generals like Julius Caesar were overshadowing it. Secondly, there was a divide between the rich and the poor. The plebeians or the commoners adored Caesar because he brought them victories, wealth, and festivals. The patricians or the aristocrats, however, feared he was becoming too powerful. Thirdly, loyalty and political manipulation. This scene, the opening scene, highlights how quickly public opinion can change. One day, and the people praise Pompey, the next, they celebrate his enemy Caesar. Now, who are Flavius and Marullus? They are the critics of Caesar. Who are they? They are Roman tribunes, meaning they are government officials meant to protect the rights of the commoners. They are loyal to the republic, but critical of Caesar's growing power, and they are frustrated with the common people. What is their purpose in the play? They represent the opposition to Caesar and overshadow the growing resistance against him. Who are the commoners? The fickle crowd. Who are they? They are the working class citizens of Rome, including a cobbler and a carpenter. They are playful, easily swayed by power, loyal to whoever benefits them. What is their purpose in the play? They show how public opinion can be manipulated, which is a key theme in the play. I hope this opening scene, you have understood it. Why? Because it's very, very important. Because it reveals so much about Rome's political chaos. And Shakespeare shows us that the power is dangerous and loyalty is fragile. Like glass, it can break anytime. And history has a way of repeating itself. What do you think? Were the tribunes right to fear Caesar, or they were just clinging to the past? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you want more such powerful breakdowns, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay ahead in your literature prep. Thank you for watching. More of Shakespeare coming soon.